In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop image in circle shape in Canva frame. If you want a clean, professional circular photo for social media, presentations, or a website, this simple Canva technique will get you there quickly and cleanly, no complicated tools required. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design, or open a project you're already working on. You can choose any size, but it helps to match the final place you'll use the image, like an Instagram post or a presentation slide. Next, upload the photo you want to crop. Click Uploads in the left sidebar, then select Upload Files and choose your image. You'll see it appear in your Uploads panel. If you prefer, you can also drag and drop the image straight from your computer into Canva, and it will upload automatically. Now add the circle frame that will create the crop. Go to Elements in the left panel, then search for Frames. Scroll until you see a simple circle frame. Click it to add it to your canvas. Resize the frame by dragging the corner handles. Use Canva Smart Guides to help you center it on the page and scale it to the exact size you want. Insert your photo into the frame by dragging the uploaded image directly onto the circle. When you hover over the frame, you'll notice it highlights, and as soon as you release, the image snaps inside and takes on the circular shape. If it doesn't snap, make sure you're dropping it right on top of the frame, not beside it. To fine-tune the crop, double-click the image inside the frame to enter edit mode. You can drag the image to reposition important parts, like a face or product, and use the corner handles to zoom in or out. Aim to keep the subject centered and leave a little breathing room near the edges. When you're happy, click outside the frame to apply the crop. From here, you can customize and export. Resize the frame circle as needed, and use the toolbar to adjust border options or add subtle styling. When you're ready to save, click Share in the top right, choose Download, and select PNG. If you need a transparent background, choose PNG and enable the transparent background option so only the circle shows when placed over other designs. That's it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating.